Good morning, America. Here I am, the reporter, Ale, and I am here to interview Mrs. Travis.
Hi.
Mrs. Travis, please tell us about your former work.
Well, it was the light in my life. I used to love what I do. I was traveling through time. I took people who wanted to know about other eras and make them happy. It was so beautiful.
But what happened?
Well, one day, the last day I did what I love, an idiot named Eccles came to my office and changed everything.
How did he do it?
Well, he stepped on a butterfly. Something as insignificant as a butterfly changed everything.
How is that possible?
Well, that butterfly was supposed to do some amazing things. Being eaten by a dinosaur or something. And he was never eaten. So everything changed. Do you want to see how Eccles ended?
Yes.
There he is.
Any comments on that?
Stupid Eccles.
Okay, thank you so much. Anything more you want to add?
Goodbye.